Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back to another Jojong camp of our team. Are you happy today?
Yes.
Yes. Are you happy? Okay, if you're happy, let's clap our hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Why did I ask if you are happy today? Because for a start, let's talk about our happiness and gratitude index between 0 and 10 for the last week. Who wants to start? You said you are happy today.
Of course.
Erwin, would you like to start next? What is your happiness index score?
Hindi ko na, i-perfect ko sana. Kaya lang, 9.5.
9.5. 9.5. Less than my. Why 9.5? Why 9.5?
Mahirap naman yung 10. Supposed to be 10, supposed to be 10. Actually, yung lahat ng gusto, alam mo, lahat ng mga wish ko sa buhay, parang na-fulfill ba? Imagine ka, last week, kalit tayo sa resonance prayer, di ba?
3-day workshop.
3 days workshop. And then, alam mo naman, usually, nag-wish paper ako, di ba? Sinulat ko lang doon yun na, if possible, yung luma ng apartment mabinta pa. Para iwan doon sa bago, di ba? Yung bago ko rin yan. Result din yun sa wish paper. Sinulat ko, pagdating natin, di ba pagdating natin, tumawag ka sa akin, one hour before, 1 hour before,
After
tumawag ka
13 from Chongpyong, you mean?
Oo.
Oh my gosh.
May tumingin ka. Ay, Diyos ko tayo, kinabahan ako ng di oras.
Oh.
Wala pang sabi ng asawa ko, Tashin, Odia, siniwaso, uwaso. Diyos ko, alam mo naman, kalat mo yung may sabi ba naman, may pupunta daw dyan, magtingin sa bahay. Ano?
Nasa Simpson pa lang tayo.
Kinabahan ako dahil wala pang 1 hour talaga tayo, pumunta na talaga sa bahay na tingin.
So, nabenta na or sure na nabibilihan?
Magsasignas na ngayong Martis.
Wow! Congratulations! Wow, power talaga. 9.5. We are okay. So, do you believe that your wish come true dahil dun
Yes,
sa
of
sunod?
course. Kasusulat ko lang yan.
Okay, let's go. Alright, congratulations. Thank you. I hope we will be all happy and we will get the same 9 to 10 score for the next coming week for our happiness index. And now it's time for us to recite our Yojong Team's vision. Let's recite all together. Bamboo Yojong Team Vision. Let's create a happy, hand-filled community centering on true love. Okay, so now let's recite all together our team's mission statement and covenant for Bamboo Team. B. Believe in God, our heavenly parent. A. Attend heavenly parent and true parents. M. Make a meaningful life. B. Be a blessing to others. O. Overcome ego. O. Observe good manners. Thank you. Now, let's close our eyes and imagine what our team would be after 16 weeks. Erwin, what can you see now?
After 16 weeks, we are on the Bawi Kongon together with our VIP, eating sangkipsal in Bawi Kongon.
Helen, it's your turn. Close your eyes and imagine what our team would be after 16 weeks. What can you see?
After 16 weeks, I can see our team together with VIPs and some Filipino sisters walking in a park, talking, laughing about life.
Let's gather our heart of Yojong, our filial love, and sing while longing for our true parents. Let's sing together the song of unity. 이 별에 살리는 동일 이 나라 살리는 동일 동일이여 어서 오라 동일이여 오라. And let's have our opening prayer. Let's close our eyes. I will lead the opening prayer. 존귀하신 하늘 부모님, 존진 참 부모님, today we come before you with humble hearts as we begin the first week of our 16-week HJ camp. We offer this time with devotion and ask for your wisdom and direction. Please help us to empty our hearts, our thoughts, worries, and desires so that you can freely work through us. Teach us to let go of ourselves and become vessels that you can use. May our hearts become pure and clear like water, able to reflect your love and your will within us. Help us to become pure water, giving life, refreshing others, and flowing wherever you lead us. As we walk through this course, guide us to stay sincere, consistent, and united, even when it is not easy. Help us to trust the process and continue with faith. May this not just be a program, but a journey where our hearts grow closer to you, Heavenly Parent, and where we can bear good fruit and bring joy to heaven, as we also wish to become a part of the building of kingdom of heaven and earth, and for the fulfillment of Heavenly Parent's dream.
Like true parents, you need to practice true love for others. You should have the heart that wants to give and give again. We need to create an environment like this with the mindset of wanting to share more. You have that responsibility before you. This is the way towards unified world. I said pure water. Pure water should not stop. It has to flow. Wherever it flows, many living things are born. That is basic. Therefore, true parent has a dream. That dream is the same with Heavenly Parent's dream. There should be no dirty water in front of our Heavenly Parent's eyes. Everyone must become pure water.
Adieu. Adieu for the words. Let's have a minute of reflection on the words for today. And then, while reading quietly, I would like to ask you to choose any words that resonate with you the most, and let us share it together. So, Edwin, do you want to start sharing? Do you have any reflection? Can you choose?
For me, you must not stop, you must flow. Ito
Must
yung
not stop.
na-resonate ko sa in myself. Kasi makita natin sa reality ngayon, ang hirap talaga ng unification. Marami yung mga persecution, mga problems. Like for example sa Japan, the resolutions of Japan, then our True Mothers Detention Center. But because of the, siguro yung mga devotion of all the members throughout the world, makita natin yung through vigil prayers. So there's so many Japanese members nga nag-join. So in spite na they are experiencing so much difficulties, they really have that devotion, strong devotion. So last night sa during sa vigil prayer, makita natin na through the devotions of members, not only Unification Church in reality this time, but the mga Catholic priest, they are the one who are supporting our True Mother. Kagabi na pinakita kasi
During the
churches.
vigil prayer.
So makita natin na not only Unification Church na nagfo-flow, pero they are also connecting sa other religious leaders.
Okay, so
Through that devotions.
through that devotion, our church will never stop. Okay,
Still
there's
flowing.
no way to stop.
Stop.
You mean, okay,
But
adieu for that. Overflowing. So
So,
that is the importance because as Erwin said, because especially the Japanese members, they continue their devotion, and that devotion is the starting energy that keeps the members going.
Frequency.
Okay. No stopping.
That's
Okay, so
powerful.
yes, pure water should not stop. Helen, please share.
For me, I choose creating an environment with a mindset that makes you want to give and give again and share more.
Okay.
Ang maano ko yung sa workshop natin last week.
3-day resonance workshop in Chongpyeong. yun. Okay.
Napakahirap sa isang mother na 3 days na mawala sa family, di ba? So, dahil nandun talaga yung heart kong magpunta, ganito, ganyan. So, nagpaalam ako sa family ko. Ngayon, kahit na nagpaalam ako, medyo okay naman, nag-iwan ako ng words sa asawa ko. Sabi ko, a-attend ako ng vigil prayer doon o mga workshop doon. Ganun pa man, sabi ko, wag lang ako mag-isa. Ikaw din na nandito sa bahay, sabi ko, start ng 10 p.m. Vigil prayer, di ba?
Okay.
Sabi ko,
You mean Friday?
oh, yung
night?
Friday, di ba umalis tayo ng mga 5 pa yan?
Okay.
Sabi ko, hinatid pa nga niya ako yung dalang carrier sa baba. Sabi ko, kahit di siya nagsasalita, alam kong naintindihan niya ako, alam ko. Sabi ko, basta nandun yung heart ko, sabi ko ngayon sa kanya. Isipin mo mamaya, 10 p.m.
Oh, alas
10 p.m.
Okay, I get that.
1 a.m. Sabi niya, nabugo, sabi niya. 내일 출근 있잖아. 출근
내일
있잖아.
출근.
그래서 자야 돼. sabi ko, 아무건 sabi ko kaya nasa heart yan. Sabi ko, sabayan mo ako. Kasi, 그래서 feel ko naman na kahit di niya natapos yung
Video prayer.
kahit di siya magsalita. So, mapipil mo yun habang nandun ako. Parang nandun yung power ba na andun yung So, yun.
You mean yung
Oo.
nasa Chongpyeong ka, napipil mo na kasama
Oo,
mo sa...
na sumasabay siya.
Sumasabay siya.
Kahit hindi niya yun natapos, kahit start lang, gano'n, at least. Yun. Kasi naging successful naman yung 3 days ko doon eh.
Okay, so you mean because you created an environment sa family mo, so na-feel mo na nag-cooperate yung husband mo. So, ganda rin kasi as a Yojong team, tatlo tayo nagpunta sa 3-day resonance workshop, and actually being Trinity members for our Yojong camp, na-realize ko after coming back from Chongpyeong, I really felt Heavenly Parent really needs us, especially during the intensive resonance prayer time. You can really feel when there was name calling, loud praying during that time. I really emptied myself, and then I really felt, I told Heavenly Parent, at this moment, I really want to resonate with you. I want to feel your presence. And then it was a healing moment for me that gave me power to start again, no? As not only as an individual, of course as a mother, and then as a leader of our team. So Aju for our team. For that, Aju.
Holy Mother Han, you pray through the night for us and this nation in love's guiding light.
Our concerns and struggles.